everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Dash Wallet application on your iPhone. So let's get started right away. Open your App Store from your app drawer and also make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, go to the search box and type in Dash Wallet. Look for this application and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. Once you download the application, tap on the Open button to open the app on your iOS device. Allow necessary permission for the app and create or restore your wallet from the options given on the display. So that's how you can easily download Dash Wallet for your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.